So we're back into period 1. We see that we've got student names and student IDs. The students use these numbers to log in, and that will give you their specific assessments. It will give you the title of the assessment, how they did, so you can get grades on them, see how they're doing. To do that, you have to start the class. Now when you start the class and press that, that's turning the receiver on. I don't have the receiver hooked up, so I'm not going to press start the class because it just won't find anything. When you start the class, then students can log in with these numbers. And when they log in with these numbers, you get a little green light next to it saying that they are logged in, and a little pop-up over here says yes, that they've logged in. Now, once they log into the class, then they can use the remotes to answer questions. There's nothing in here, there's nothing in the Smart Response Teacher's tools that allows you to ask questions. To do that, you have to have, in addition to the Smart Response, you also have to have Smart Notebook software. This is an example of an assessment that I made. So it's called the Living Things Test, and as I scroll down through here, you can see that it's just multiple choice questions. And students would be able to answer these questions if they logged in. Now, the way that you do that is when you click over here, let me get back to the first question. We would start this assessment. Now, if you notice down here, there's some different ways that the students can get feedback. After you stop collecting responses, after all questions are answered, after each question is answered, or don't show grades at all. It depends on what you want to do, and it depends on how you want students to receive feedback, so that's a nice little option there. But to get this part to work, to start this assessment now, and they don't always do a good job explaining this, to start this assessment and to have it work, you have to have started the class first. So first you start the class, then you bring up your Smart Notebook software, which is where you have the actual Sentio questions, and you start this assessment now.